Hi, I'm Andrew Waterhouse and I'm here to tell you about how we make our animal feeds here at Waterhouse Feeds. Waterhouse Feeds for the exotic animals started back in 2017 when we had a chance meeting with a local well-established collection, and they were looking for some feeds that they couldn't find anywhere else on the market. And we had discussions, and within 3 weeks we had the product that they wanted, and it started by doing stuff that really they couldn't find anywhere else in the market. Then that grew into another specialist project which took a little bit longer to get sorted, but within 3 months again we'd retooled some equipment and we were able to provide them with something that was unique for the zoo animal feed sector, and that's now in use across multiple collections all over the world. Originally, Waterhouse Feeds was a family business set up in 1883. And we used to focus on mainly farm feeds until 2013 when we merged with HJ Lea. The range of feeds we produce are very varied. We started off with our mainstay, which is basically for herbivores, and that includes grazers and browsers. We've also developed from there feeds for omnivores, birds and primates even. Our customer base is principally made up of the main UK zoo collections and private collectors of exotic animals. Waterhouse Feeds is part of the HJ Lea group, and the HJ Lea group is owned by the Lea Family, which is a family business that was set up in 1675, and it's now in its 14th generation. And that includes a farm feeds sector, which is marketed under HJ Lea, an equine brand which is Dodson Horrell, and more recently, since 2017, Waterhouse Feeds, which is the exotic feeds for zoos. Waterhouse Feeds is constantly developing new products, looking to expand its market into Europe and the rest of the world. When we receive these ingredients, we send them off for analysis to make sure they're up to nutritional specification and check that they are free of any undesirable substances which were likely to cause issue to any of the animals that we feed. We understand that our customers are working with endangered species and looking to protect the environment and their habitats across the globe. And this is why we take our raw material sourcing very seriously. Wherever possible, we choose to avoid deforestation products like palm kernel and soya bean meal from deforestation sources. We are packing all our products in recyclable packaging and always looking to invest in more energy efficient processes to produce our products. And we have within our group extensive green energy sources, including solar and wind. We're also keen to support other organisations who can pass on the education about sustainable practices, and have also collaborated recently with Nature's Safe, a fantastic organisation with fantastic ambitions to help preserve nature's species across the globe. It's how people get in touch with us. We intentionally have a really limited website, with the reason being we want people to pick up the phone and actually speak to us, because that's how we keep in touch with what you guys are looking for. And so picking up the phone to us is really important. We love to talk to you and find out about what your requirements are. We want it to be really easy for you to get in touch with us. It's fine, bob us an email, that's great. We're always here to have a chat with you and find out what you're really looking for. If need be, I'm happy to come and visit you and talk about what feeds we can do to help supply you and your collection.
So I'm Chris, I'm the Animal and Plant Logistical Services General Manager here at Chester Zoo. What we've done in the last 6 years, we've actually moved a lot of our supply to more of a local supplier network. So that helps with our sustainability, but also partnering with companies who we can build feeds with. The paramount thing for us is the animal's needs. So that's where we start with, is what does that animal require in that pellet or in any produce that we're going to feed out. What we did was we partnered with Waterhouse Feeds, where we developed this new training biscuit, which has now been in place for the last 6 years, and it's been a great asset to our elephant team to train our elephants using this program.